Hello and welcome to my channel Blue Chip Finance. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon if you think that this video is beneficial for you. This video is an extension of my previous video related to estimation part 1, in which I discussed about the formula number 1 of estimation. So those who are new on this video must watch the estimation part 1 previous video for better understanding. So in this video I will discuss with you about the formula number 2 of estimation. So condition number 2 and formula number 2 is that in which estimation for confidence interval for population mean mu, a large sample where sample size is greater than 30, sigma or population standard deviation known, but case is without replacement. In previous video that was the case of with replacement, but in this video I will discuss about the case of without replacement. So without replacement is a case in which population is known. In previous video or previous formula population was unknown. तो एक तो ये है कि यहाँ पे जो सैंपल है, सैंपल साइज मस्ट एक्सीड देन 30, which is known as larger sample, and population standard deviation known, then this formula will be applied. Say x bar or sample mean plus minus z alpha by 2 population standard deviation divided by sample size under root multiply by under root of population size minus sample size divided by population size minus 1. So here I took one question for better understanding, that survey agency wants to estimate the average income of people located in low income area of certain city. There are 1000 people or families in the area and choose a random sample of 90. मतलब ये हुआ कि 1000 लोग हैं पॉपुलेशन, उसमें से 90 का सैंपल चूज किया गया. द मीन इनकम इज $50 पर डे एंड पॉपुलेशन स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन इज 10. जो मीन इनकम है वो सैंपल की जो सैंपल साइज लिया 90, इसका जो मीन कैलकुलेट हुआ है वो 50 है, और पॉपुलेशन की यानी कि 1000 पर्सन्स की जो स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन है वो है 10. कैलकुलेट 90% confidence interval for population mean. So here uppercase n is 1000, lowercase n or sample is 90. So this is population and this is sample. Population standard deviation is 10 and sample mean x bar is 50. Now one more important thing, and that is the calculation of z alpha by 2 value. So for this purpose, first of all we calculate alpha. Alpha is equals to 1 minus 0.95. Here we can change it's okay. So 95% confidence interval. So 1 minus 0.95 equals to 0.05, and that is alpha. And we need alpha by 2. So alpha by 2 is equals to 0.05 divided by 2, and that is 0.025. For z 0.025, how can we calculate this value or locate this value 1.96? How can we obtain this value? Go to z distribution table and locate 1 minus 0.025, that is 0.975. We locate this value. इस वैल्यू को हम तलाश करेंगे z टेबल के अंदर कि ये कहाँ पे है, और वो रो और कॉलम का जो नंबर होगा वो हमारी z वैल्यू होगी. तो 1 माइनस 0.025 इक्वल्स टू 0.975. ये है जी z टेबल, और 0.975 is here 0.975. So row number is 1.9 and column number is 6. So tabulated value for Z alpha by 2 will be 1.96. So this is 1.96. So just simply apply or put these values into the formula. एक दफा प्लस करें और एक दफा माइनस करें. Plus one time and subtract this side, right hand side, out of mean, subtract. So one time add this value and one time add this value, less or subtract this value. So x bar is 50 and z value is 1.96, sigma is 10, so we place 10 here. Sample size is 90, so 90 under root multiply by under root of uppercase n is 1000, 1000 minus 90 and 1000 minus 1, and just solve it. In addition, 51.9718 is the answer, and in subtraction 48.0282 is the answer. So that is the range. So population parameter और population mu, पॉपुलेशन का जो मीन है वो उसकी रेंज जो है वो क्या होगी 48.0282 to 51.9718. So thank you very much. Soon I will come with the third formula video of estimation. Stay safe, stay blessed, and take care of yourself and the persons around you. Thank you.